Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable the camera app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, make sure you go back to the main settings page, then go down and tap on Screen Time. In here, scroll down to the Restrictions section and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. In here, tap on the Allow Apps item. Then go down and tap on Camera. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. If you turn off camera, you will not be able to use camera on your device anymore, and the camera app will be removed from your home screen as well as in your app library. So if for some reason you cannot find your camera app, then the best place is to go in and check your settings in the content restriction and make sure camera is turned on. If it is turned on, you should be able to locate it somewhere on your home screen or in your app library. So you can just go in here and type in camera and you'll be able to open up your camera app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.